the last part here, sorry, I paused for a second. The last part here we're talking about is a complex conjugate. So the simple way of saying it is change the sign of the imaginary number. So in general, the format we've been using is A, and then I'm going to switch to blue, plus BI to take the complex conjugate. So complex conjugate. We're going to take the opposite of the imaginary. So that means we're going to leave the real part alone, but instead of plus BI, it'll be minus BI. So for example, if we have, let's do 1 plus 14i. The complex conjugate for that would be 1 minus 14i. If we had negative 2 minus 76i, it would become, the complex conjugate would be negative 2 plus 76i. Now do be careful, sometimes you'll see it where it'll be like 5i minus 6. And to take the complex conjugate, we take the opposite of just the imaginary part. So it's not always the second term. Sometimes people flip around the order on you. So it'd be negative 5i minus 6. So it's still a minus 6. If it helps you to, let me zoom in a little bit. If it helps you to put it in standard form, negative 6. I just realized my picture is going to cover that up. Let me move me up. Oh, sorry. There we go. It'll be negative 6 minus 5i. So only the imaginary part we take the opposite of.